welcome back to Renal Diet HQ. Today we're going to make this cornbread salad made with lots of low sodium ingredients. You can have it as a side dish or as your full meal. You're really going to love putting it together. It's super easy, quick, and then you refrigerate it and you have a great side dish. So come along with me today and let's make some cornbread salad. Hi there, welcome back to Renal Diet HQ. I'm your host, Smithia Ford, and today we're going to make a kidney-friendly cornbread salad that is so good, and it's great as either a side dish or even just as a meal. You're going to love it. Before we dive in, let me ask you a fun question. Why did the corn go to the party? Stick around to the end and I'll tell you the answer. Okay, let's go through the ingredients. We have 3 cups of our low sodium cornbread. You'll find the recipe on the blog. Pinto beans, corn, bacon, onion, cheddar cheese, red pepper. You can use green pepper as well. We have jalapeno. We have celery. For the dressing, we have mayo, sour cream, lemon juice, and some of my low sodium ranch seasoning that you'll also find on the blog, and I'll link below. Okay, let's start with cooking our bacon. Now it's time to assemble the cornbread salad. So we have the cornbread that I have diced into small cubes. It's going to get kind of mushed all around. The pinto beans add some nice protein and delicious flavor. The corn adds a little flavor. You've got your bell peppers. You've got your bacon, cheddar cheese, onions for a little bit of tang, and you've got your jalapeno peppers for tang and your celery for crunch. So I'm going to mix all that in there, and we're just going to start mixing it around to make sure everything is kind of spread around, because when we put the dressing in, it's going to get munched together. And as you can see, that cornbread's just kind of crumbling, which is fine. That's exactly what we want it to do. Okay, now let's make the dressing. We're going to put the mayo in, sour cream, lemon juice to smooth it out a little, give it a little tang, ranch seasoning, and I'm going to use a whisk to mix this together. Takes it a minute to kind of get blended where you don't have that juice going all over. It's a very southern salad that makes a great side dish or a serving all on its own. That's well mixed. So let's put this in with the rest of it. Right now we're going to pour our dressing over the salad and then mix it all together. That nice tangy dressing. It's going to bring all the cornbread together, make everything smooth, and then you refrigerate it. See how it just looks so tangy? Really, really great side dish or a great meal on its own. Okay, our next step in this recipe is we're going to cover this and put it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours to let it kind of blend together and get all the ingredients mixed and flavorful. Okay, so this makes 12 servings. Now that I've refrigerated it, I'm just going to make myself a little bowl of it and have a taste. Okay, so this cornbread salad is delicious. It's creamy. It makes a perfect side dish, and you can take it to a picnic meal. All right, let's have a taste. I taste the celery. I taste the bacon. I taste the creamy dressing. Oh, this is good. And this is low sodium with the ingredients we used. So for the rest of the joke, why did the corn go to the party? Because it was amazing. This is so good. You're going to make this over and over. I love it.